Hello everyone. I am Harish Nevatia, founder of ePani Puri Cart based at Ranchi. I am a final participant in India Fun Fest Finale 2020 5th edition. I am very much excited to meet investor panel and share my startup journey. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harish Nevatia, founder of ePani Puri Cart, based at Ranchi, seeking for seed funding of rupees 50 lakhs in tranches, diluting 10% equity. We are solving pain point of the customer, providing contactless serving of Pani Puri. Survey says post-COVID, 55% are looking for hygiene, 20% for food safety, and 25% for contactless serving. We are tapping unorganized street food sector, creating a sustainable brand which gives a better solution in an investment range of 25,000 to 2.5 lakh rupees with 12-month ROI. All Pani Puri sellers are our competitor. We are adding value by increasing productivity by 7x and decreasing delivery time and cost. Serving Pani Puri in 3 innovative forms: fill, cups, shots, 14 flavors and 28 recipes. Our unique selling proposition is customer-oriented product, standard formulation of spices in paste form with lab-tested quality, customized model, strong IP and patent. We have introduced first time automatic dispensing machine operated by mobile app. Our go-to-market strategy is based on making product fit in any marketplace, COCO model, technology-driven business, automated tools for marketing. This startup is founded by me with Manisha and Tanya. We have a strong product team looking after IoT application, food recipe, and cart fabrication. As B2B model, we have got first 2 paid customers. 97 people have approached for franchisee last month, and we are in a final talk with agency to develop 100 outlets and 15 state franchisees in next 12 months. We will acquire customer by our unique and tempting offer of no franchisee and no royalty up to rupees 1 lakh sale. We are making 20% on cart sale, 40% on spices with a monthly subscription of rupees 2,500 with 2% royalty on target sale. We will achieve a milestone of 1,000 food cart with 100 crore revenue in 5th year with 20x growth and optimum PAT of 30%. Funding required will give us a runway for 12 months, and we will achieve break even in 8 months with 10 own outlets and 50 franchised in first year. We will accelerate growth in second year, achieve 250 outlets. Third year, we will enter food court and QSR with premium brands. Fourth year, we will introduce retail packaging for spices and homemade recipes. Fifth year, core manufacturing of food cart. In April 25, we will provide first round exit. Come join us in a modern era of street food. Thank you. Over to you, Nani.
Harish, what is the cost of each machine?
Sir, it is starting from 25,000 to 2.5 lakh.
And how long did it take you to make it? I mean, is it working somewhere or is it still prototype?
Sir, it is working, sir. We have tested it.
Okay. And how many places is it working right now?
Sir, we have signed for first outlet in Ranchi post-COVID, and we will start resuming operation after post-COVID.
Okay. How much of the money of your own money have you invested in this totally?
We have bootstrapped 7.4 lakhs till date.
Vijay?
So Harish, I think firstly, I think you guys are solving a very important problem, because I'm aware of so many people, including myself, who consider Pani Puri delicious but deadly. So even in peacetime, there is a lot of relevance for what you're doing. And now post-COVID, this whole contactless thing is just going to get better. So congratulations on homing in on a good idea, I would say. But what are you raising this money for? You're raising 50 lakhs. What are you going to do with it? Is it going to go into beefing up the technology and making it better, or is it for signing up more locations? So just walk us through the need of the funding.
We are burning the money in marketing for 20%, 15% for talent hiring, and 15% for customer acquisition. And the main part, 50%, will go for operational cost, including product and inventory.
Okay. Thank you.
Any questions from investors? Nisha?
Hi Harish.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I completely, agree with Vijay that Pani Puri is also one of my favorite snacks, and I've not been arguing on it for the last 3 months because of hygiene issues. So
Yeah.
contactless is something very important. Harish, how will you ensure that? I'm sure you're not only targeting Ranchi, you're targeting Pan India with the kind of expansion you're looking for, correct?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
The
I
question is, are you you are going to target Pan India, right? Not just Ranchi.
Yes, sir.
So
How?
how will you ensure the customization to the taste of individual cities? I will not like what Ranchi offers. I would like what Bangalore offers, the taste.
We have a standard formulation of spices. So that is lab tested, and it is in paste form. So it is as instant mix that can be diluted in water, and it is lab tested quality, and we are ensuring its quality by quality checking parameters through our mobile app and customer feedback on each and every bill.
No. So
I think
what
the question, Harish.
that the taste of Pani Puri is very different in different parts of the country. How many variants have you created?
14 flavors, sir, and we have 10 more flavors in pipeline to be introduced.
14, 1-4.
Yes, sir, 1-4.
So soon you'll be beating, Ben and Jerry's in terms of number of flavors.
Yes, sir. We have made it focusing on regional taste and flavor.
Okay.
Just like we have Punjabi masala for north states, and we are Imli based on south taste. So we are concentrating on region-wise taste and flavor.
Understood. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks. Thank you.
Any further questions?
Any further questions and any interest in offers, making an offer?
Or taking it forward for a discussion? Okay, Harish, we don't have interest on this panel. We'll take it up. 1 second, hold on. I have Kapil asking a question. Kapil, you have a question? Can't hear you, unmute.
You mentioned that the flavor is in a paste form. What is the shelf life on it? And why didn't you think of doing it in the powder form, which a lot of food and beverage companies today, they work on the concentrate in a powder form because that has more shelf life, easier to transport, easier to package.
We have focused on paste form, avoiding mixture and contaminations, and it is made from fresh material. When we place our order in factory, fresh raw materials are being procured and then it is manufactured. So we are providing a shelf life of 6 to 12 months, and it is in a vacuum seal packaging.
And the machines that you have, is there any defensibility on that, or on these 14 flavors plus upcoming flavors, any further defensibility in terms of any protection of that? Because Pani Puri as a product is something that all of us have in different ways. And during the lockdown, all of us have been making Pani Puri at home, including myself and I'm sure everyone else. Contactless method is a great way to do it, especially, looking at offices or get-togethers, in the future. Contactless method will definitely pick up. People are not going to stop having Pani Puri, but the way that they're having is going to definitely change from the dip to the self-serve. So what would be your defensibility? Is it the type of flavors that you're churning? Is that going to be your real secret sauce? Or is it going to be the machine? Because I'm sure in India, anyone can come up with a similar machine, right?
Sir, when we talk about food, the ultimate is the taste and flavor. So the serving mode is unique and it is appropriate in the current scenario, but ultimately the thing is taste and flavor. So we are working more on taste and flavor, and we will do a lot in taste and flavor in future also.
Okay.
Any tie-ups that you've done in the Horeca space, in the hotels, restaurants, and other places? Anything that has worked there for you guys?
We are in talk with some few restaurant owners right now, and we are in talk with agency also. They will be developing that sector.
Okay.
And you've not raised money till now, right? You've not raised any capital till now.
Yes, sir.
No, he has not raised any money. Completely bootstrapped.
So Kapil, do we have an offer from you?
I love Pani Puri. So
Okay.
let me try to salivate my senses a little more. The only thing is that there's no defensibility in this. Otherwise, I see this happening by default. I see the contactless Pani Puri thing happening for sure. But yeah, maybe I don't mind having a chat, on a
Okay.
separate note, and let me see what I can do here.
Let's do that. So would you like to schedule it for today or tomorrow, Kapil? The conversation
Tomorrow.
tomorrow? Take it. Okay. Sounds good. So we'll take that up as well. Anybody else has?
Conversation, Harish, offline with Kapil tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll see where that leads. Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Harish.
Thank you, Harish, and all the best.
Thank you.
I am Harish Nevatia, founder of e-Puri Cart at Ranchi. I am final participant in Indian Fest 5th edition 2020. I have met the investor panel and shared my startup journey. It was a very wonderful experience, and the investor panel have shown interest in my venture with a couple of questions, and I am looking forward for one-to-one meeting scheduled tomorrow with investor panel. Finger crossed. Thank you.